Welcome to the third video in the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro series. In this video, you will learn how to customize your simulation using simulation preferences, the tooth chart, and 3D controls. You can customize the simulation preferences for each simulation view individually. From the Invisalign simulation view, tap Preferences in the upper left-hand corner. First, select the desired Invisalign treatment option from the drop-down list. Depending on your Invisalign doctor site account and regional availability, you may see options such as Comprehensive Package, Moderate Package, Light Package, Express Package, Invisalign Go, and Invisalign Go Plus. Next, you have the option to use an Invisalign preference template like IPP, Invisalign Personalized Plan, or GCP, Global Clinical Preferences. Selecting a template is optional. When you assign a template, all preferences are inherited from it. However, you can still adjust individual preferences and tooth chart settings. Your manual changes will override the template defaults. You can manually adjust the age group, dental midline, spacing, AP corrections, and IPR. Please note that the age group setting is designed to apply different IPP or GCP preferences for adult and teen patients, and this directly affects the simulation outcome. Set your clinical preferences and choose which arch to treat, upper, lower, or both. In the Invisalign simulation tooth chart, you can mark each tooth to define its treatment plan. Once marked, the colors update automatically. Regular teeth appear in white. Teeth marked as do not move turn gray. Those marked for extraction appear in red with an X, and missing teeth show as dotted outlines. Once you have finished adjusting your preferences, you have several options. Tap Recalculate to apply the changes to the current simulation. This may take up to 3 minutes. These changes apply only to this simulation. Tap Save Preferences as my simulation defaults to apply your current preferences, such as IPP, to this simulation and automatically use them for all future simulations. Tap Load My Simulation Defaults to restore your previous default settings. Now let's review the Invisalign Smile Architect simulation preferences. Tap any tooth and choose one of these options. When you mark a tooth as Restore, it appears in blue. And if you select Restore and Do Not Move, it's shown with a blue outline and gray fill. By default, the system auto-restores the upper 6 teeth, but you can modify this and recalculate as needed. You can also switch your tooth numbering system. Tap any number in the chart and choose FDI, Palmer, or Universal to match your preferred notation. Now, let's explore the 3D controls tools, which move teeth manually and adjust the position interactively. These controls work in both orthodontic Invisalign and ortho-restorative Invisalign Smile Architect simulation types, and they are entirely optional. You can use them whenever you want it to refine the outcome. To activate 3D controls, tap the 3D controls button. For this demonstration, we will choose the ortho-restorative 3D controls. Let's walk through the main functions. Tooth movement. Tap any tooth on the 3D model, then select your movement type in the 3D controls panel. Depending on the control selected, extrusion or intrusion, you can move the tooth accordingly. In the Smile Architect 3D controls, you can choose to move not only the tooth, but also the restoration. If you're using my itero.com portal, you can select multiple teeth by holding the control key. Once selected, you can move all chosen teeth together using the same control tools. Modifying IPRs and spacing. Tap the flags that appear between teeth to access 2 options. Add IPR and add spacing. You can adjust the amount of IPR or spacing directly within the controls. All changes are saved automatically as you work. With these real-time tools, you can ensure that each simulation accurately reflects your clinical preferences. Please note that any modifications using the 3D controls will trigger a recalculation that makes a few minutes, similar to changes in preferences. In this video, we reviewed how to customize the simulation using the simulation preferences, tooth chart, and 3D controls. In the next video, we'll explore how to manage patient photos and share your simulations with ease.